What is one thing that we all look for in a person? Do you give up? It is consistency. We all want someone who is going to do what they say what they do at the time that they say that they're going to do it, right? So why is it that we're inconsistent with how we look? Okay, that's kind of harsh to say, Cherise. I don't know if you can relate to this, but there have been times where I don't always look like my pictures. One thing that I do know that is not consistent are our looks, especially when it comes to real life and social media. I sometimes have an issue with this. If you didn't know, I model. Ding! And sometimes, most times, I am wearing makeup, face is contoured, eyeliner, lip gloss, mascara, fake lashes, all that good stuff. Then when I take it off, I am just regular Cherise. So when I post a picture, you see, bah, ka. Angles, perfection. Guess what though? Some of the pictures that I post, they're not Photoshop. But the makeup has enhanced me so much so that people say, that doesn't look like you. You don't look like yourself. Oh my gosh. When people say that to me, I don't know if I should take that as a compliment or if I should take that as, you look prettier in the picture that you posted, and in real life, I'm very disappointed with how you look. And so this is why today I decided I'm going to get some natural lighting. I'm not going to do a whole bunch of makeup, just a regular face Cherise with my hat. To be honest, I'm having a bad hair day. I didn't want to brush my hair or comb it. So this is what you get. The images that you see on social media, especially when it comes to the whole DIY, do it yourself, making cupcakes, putting together some type of crafty project. The image that you see on social media looks nothing like what it is that you've created. I am not saying that you are an ugly person in real life and that on social media you are amazing. No, you're still cute. I'm just saying, for me, I feel some type of way when people say that to me. So with that being said, what are you to do? What should you make of this whole situation of looking better on social media than you do in real life? Tell people to mind their business. Tell them to get a life. It's like, that's mean. But I'm kind of serious. Realize that social media is what it is. It is so that you can be social. You always try to put your best foot forward. I would hope that you would always try to put your best foot forward. You don't go on a job interview wearing sweatpants and a holy shirt. I would hope that you would not. So think of social media as your interview. You're trying to impress people. Why? You have to ask yourself that. Why? Self? Why? Don't get so caught up in cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs over looks, likes, loves, and hearts on social media that you forget to like, love, and look at yourself in the mirror. Realize you are somebody. And just because you put on your best face on social media doesn't mean that your face in real life isn't the best. It's yours. Love it. Appreciate it. Cherish it. You only get one face. Hey, face. So no matter what people say, no matter how many likes or hearts you get on a selfie or a photoshopped photo, make sure you're loving the face behind the photo, aka you, all you, unedited, unfiltered, flawed, yet perfect you. Don't forget it, and as always, don't forget your confidence. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, share the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.